Hey guys, Chetan here for Phone Radar, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 4, the latest favorite device from Samsung that comes with a 5.7-inch 1440p, that's the 2K display on the front, and it has got one of the best powers in the recent smartphone lineup. So this runs Android 4.4.4 KitKat, and the Android Lollipop update is assured for this, while the internal core in this is by Snapdragon 805 CPU, and along with that there's Adreno 420 GPU and 3 GB of RAM. So that's quite a good power. So here we are going to do a few gaming tests and check out how good the gaming performance of this smartphone is. First of all, let me play the Reptile GP2. This game is quite a very heavy game with loaded graphics. So let me try to play and check out how good that is. Although, to just let you know that this game has already been tried by us and the phone was performing quite well on that. So let me try to play it again on the video to show you. So as you could see that the Reptile GP2 game played flawlessly. There was no issue at all. It was running quite well. So first of all, we usually do these kind of temperature tests alongside this. So I'm testing the temperature right now on the normal temperature, that's 28.1 degrees, and on the phone that's usually near the battery area where I could see some heating up. So this is the best I could get. That's 36.1 degrees. That's not at all alarming. It's quite cold right now, and what we have seen in the Sony Xperia devices and such is that the temperature goes even to 50 degrees centigrade, so that is quite high, but here it is still 36. So I'll play the next game, that's the Asphalt 8, and it's just like 4 minutes that I have played the game, so it's not that heated up. Let me try one more game and then I can come to a conclusion. I'm doing nothing but just starting up the game quickly. So this is another game that takes a lot of graphics load, and it puts maximum load on the GPU and also the RAM. So my gaming wasn't good, but the performance of this smartphone is flawless for now. It's been like around 8 minutes that I've been playing the games as of now. So we have played 2 games and we'll play one more. That's the Dead Trigger 2 game before we wrap up with this performance review of the Note 4. And with the Snapdragon 805 processor and the Adreno 420 GPU, this was quite expected that the game plays very well. As you can see, I haven't turned the other games down. It's just like in the multitasking on the background. So and the RAM is being able to take everything very well.
Let's roll.
So far it's 11 minutes that the games have been played, and it was quite good till now. It was flawless, and I'm not exaggerating, but it actually is very good. And when comparing this with the latest smartphones from the different brands, even from Samsung itself, the S5, the Sony Xperia Z3, the new Moto X, all of them were doing good with the gaming, but they got heated up very well in just a few minutes of gaming. But here the final temperature that I see here is still the same, around 36.5 degrees. And that is quite lower than those other smartphones, especially the Sony Xperia devices, where it's the glass body and the temperature went shooting up to 50 degrees. So this is the gaming review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 4 smartphone that comes with this QHD display, 5.7-inch in size, and Snapdragon 805 processor with Adreno 420 GPU and 3 GB of RAM. So in our other videos, we'll be doing the different tests of the camera and the S Pen, and we'll be letting you know how good the this phablet device is. So do check out the channel Phone Radar, and do like this video and share it with everyone else. Thank you.